This is Rob Guthins, ServiceMaster. Advanced Cleaning in Mobile, Alabama, the master of disaster. We're on a real good size water damage in Mobile. Got a lot of equipment, axials in place. As you can see, we've removed a lot of moisture. Last couple of days. One heck of a drying job. We had about a half inch of water in this whole building, just about. I'm gonna turn around to look through here. Walk through one other area where my guy's in there taking readings. These kind of drying jobs, a little bit beyond the capability of a small mom and pop. Came in this room the other day. It was really soaked. For ServiceMaster Advanced Cleaning in Mobile, Alabama, this is Rob Guthins. Area code 251-653-9333.